Hello, my name is Andrzej Wajs. I am the National Project Coordinator for Eureka in Poland. I'd like to tell you a few words about our domestic process of applying to Eureka, and this also applies to Xecs. We have currently opened our domestic call for proposals. We opened it on the 22nd of May, and it will close on the 20th of October. So it is until the 20th of October that you have to submit our domestic application to us. So if you get a Xecs label, this is something that gives you like the green light from Xecs, but in order to get funding from Poland, you still have to submit the full project proposal from the labeled one from Xecs, together with the domestic application to us by the 20th of October. All the domestic rules can be found on the website of NCBR, my funding agency, which is the National Research and Development, National Center for Research and Development in Poland. The main thing is that in order to apply, you have to be either an SME and you can apply individually, or you have to apply in a domestic consortium where an SME has to lead it in Poland, and it can comprise either a university or a research institute or a large enterprise. However, a research institute, a university, or a large enterprise cannot be standalone applicants, and they also cannot lead the domestic Polish consortia. In terms of funding, when it comes to research, a micro enterprise can receive up to 80% of funding from us. If you are a university or research institute and you are a member of the consortium, you get 100% of funding. If you are a medium-sized enterprise, and you get like 60% of funding. Everything is described in the regulations, rules for applying. They are in Polish, and you can find them on the website of NCBR. Another very important feature and something that you have to bear in mind is that the maximum amount of funding per entity is 750,000 of Polish zlotys. So if you are a standalone SME applying individually, this is the maximum of funding you can get from us. If there is a consortium made of 2 entities, again, then funding you can apply for is 1.5 million zlotys, again with no more than 750,000 zlotys per entity. If your consortium comprises more than 2 entities, then again the maximum amount of funding is 1.5 million zlotys, with no more than 750,000 zlotys per entity. So you have to divide the 1.5 million accordingly if you are a consortium made of 3 or more. So good luck to everyone. We're looking forward to your applications. If you are successful with Xecs, that's great. But in order to be successful with NCBR, you still have to submit the domestic application to us. And the domestic application is checked first formally. If everything is okay, then 3 independent experts hired by NCBR will check it on merit in due course. Thank you so much. Good luck. Fingers crossed.